Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the awesome springy turtle. And I mentioned yesterday, and I posted it on Instagram, that he has springs in him. But what I may not have explained well enough is those springs are 3D printed. This amazing design, and I'll show the link in the movie, is amazingly simple to print. And this one I printed at 75% just to prove that I could. So the head just fits in that groove like that. You can see I got out some sandpaper to make it so that it moves moderately freely. Those little clips press in just like that. And then the body snaps on, and check it out. You've got an amazingly squishy turtle with a head that pushes in and out. How cool is that? And all because of an amazing spring design and two little clips that hold it together. Great creation, and thank you for sharing.